How to uninstall Zelle app on Android. First of all, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to find the Apps option. Tap on it to see the full list of installed applications. Next, scroll through the list and look for Zelle. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its details page. After that, you will see different options such as force stop, storage and permissions. Tap on the uninstall button and the confirmation message will appear. Select OK or uninstall to confirm the action. Once completed, the Zelle app will be removed from your device and you won't receive any more notifications or updates from it. This method is safe, quick, and ensures the app is fully removed from your system. If needed, you can always reinstall the Zelle app later from the Play Store whenever you want to use it again. Now you know how to uninstall Zelle app on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.